Anna from Anna's Cooking World. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing something a little different. I will be trying out chicken wings from Taco Bell. I've never had Taco Bell before because I don't go for fast food. But today, I am going to try their chicken wings because I love chicken. This is what it looks like, guys. It comes with 6 pieces and it looks so good. I bought 3 boxes. This is a close-up, guys. The chicken is well seasoned, guys, and it is seasoned with a Mexican queso seasoning, and it also comes with a spicy ranch sauce. Alright, guys, I am gonna smell it first. Let's see how it smells. Smells real good. And now I am going to take a bite. Get me some sauce. This is so good, guys. It is crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. This is so good, guys. Really crispy on the outside and so soft inside. Well seasoned and spicy. Just good. This is so good, guys. Look at this, guys. Delicious. So now I will try another piece without the ranch sauce. This is so good, guys. This is so good. I love chicken. This is spicy. So spicy and so delicious. I also bought me some drinks. This is refreshing. So I love it with the sauce, guys. It is still delicious without the sauce, but the sauce with the chicken, spicy sauce, and it's just great. Just great, guys. It is seasoned on the inside as well. I think Taco Bell should make this a staple on their menu. It is this good. Are you usually a ranch girl? Or do you prefer blue cheese? I think I prefer the blue cheese. What do you think, guys? This is so good, guys. Are you going to try it? I think you guys should try it. This is so spicy and delicious. 3 boxes, guys. 3 boxes. Three boxes, guys. Can you believe this, guys? I also drove 45 minutes to get all this, guys. From Fort Lauderdale to Miami. And it was sold out everywhere. Everywhere, guys. Look at this, guys. All clean. This is so delicious. This is so good. Every bit, guys. This is how good this is. That's it on the bites, guys. All done. All done, guys. I love it. What did you guys think? Will you go out and get it? Please comment down below because I want to know, guys. I enjoy this so much. So give me a thumbs up, guys. 100,000 likes. Share and subscribe. Hold on. So give me a thumbs up, guys. 100,000 likes. Like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe. Bye.